viewers, today's project are cute crystal bicone crystals earrings. We are making today's tutorial materials for this project. You can note it down. Crystal beads, different colors, maroon, blue, green, yellow. We will make with different color bicone beads 3 mm and one pair of silver earring wires. Here are golden seed beads 11 metallic golden. First of all, we will pick 4 white seed beads, and from start first 2 beads we will pass needle through first 2 beads we beaded and pull the thread. And now in herringbone stitch we are making today's earrings, crystal beaded earrings. We are making these earrings in herringbone stitch. So we are making its base, and its base we will bead one by one 2 seed beads each time, and 6 pairs we will bead here. 6 pairs of white seed beads. You can see we have beaded 6 pairs. Now we are joining both ends. We pass through our needle, pass through seed bead one side to other side, and we have joined it. Now we are adding 2 bicones, maroon color. 2 bicones. We will pass through our needle through seed beads. We will add here. Pass our needle through 2 seed beads. We have added maroon color, pinkish maroon color. Now we are adding yellow color. 2 yellow color bicones, 3 mm bicones. We are adding, passing our needle through white seed beads. And now we are adding 2 purple color bicone 3 mm beads. In this way we added 3 pairs of 3 different colors of bicones. 3 pairs of 3 colors. Now we are adding seed beads between these beaded bicones. In center of 2 bicones, we will add 1 white seed bead 11. Pass our needle through bicones. Then we add white seed bead. We will add 3 times 3 seed beads one by one to our bicone's center. Now, passing our needle from white seed bead, we are adding 1 maroon bicone and 1 yellow. Passing our needle through seed bead white, we are adding 1 yellow and 1 purple bicone bead. Again we pass needle from seed bead 11 and adding one purple and one maroon color, maroonish red color. Now pass through bicone bead, and now in this round we will add golden seed beads 11 three times between bicones. We will add seed bead 11 golden color, metallic golden. So in this way we will keep our beading. This project is very interesting. As you know, herringbone stitch is very interesting for work. I always enjoy working with this stitch, beading with this stitch. I like it, herringbone stitch. So keep going and keep beading in the same way as we started from beginning. We will keep our beading, adding bicones of different colors, adding seed beads white, adding golden seed beads. Now we are adding light green color, very cute color. Different color combinations are making our earrings very unique and cute and elegant look. You can see at the end in this pattern we are making our earrings herringbone stitch. Its pattern is very interesting to work with this pattern. And now pass through seed bead. It's very easy. When you have started once, you will be feeling it's very easy. Although it's somehow it's long process, but it will end in an elegant earring pair. So you will be glad. Repeat. Now we are passing through bicone crystal beads. Now this is time of adding seed beads white 11. We are adding 11 white beads one by one to all bicones we have added. Now pass through. Now we are adding one green, one blue, and we pass through seed bead, adding these two beads. Now again adding two different colors, one blue, one white bicone bead 3 with passing through seed bead, white seed bead 11. Now in this round we are adding golden seed bead one by one to our bicone crystal beads. Basically its pattern is that we have different rounds of beads. One round of adding bicone of different colors, 3 different colors. The next round is adding 3 seed beads one by one, and the next round is third round. You can say third round. In third round we add 2 different colors one by one, 2 bicones, and in the fourth round we add seed beads golden. This is the basic pattern of this earrings project, the art tutorial, and it's very easy. When you have started once, you start beading, you will see it's very interesting. And now we have added pink color. We are adding its in its center white seed beads. In this round we are adding seed beads, white seed beads, आज हम जो इयरिंग्स बना रहे हैं ये हेरिंग बोन स्टिच का बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग सा पैटर्न है। इसमें आप देख सकते हैं बेसिकली 4 राउंड्स हैं जिसमें हम डिफरेंट कलर्स के बीड्स यूज़ कर रहे हैं। बाइकॉन बीड्स 3 mm और इसमें फर्स्ट राउंड में हमने जैसे सबसे पहले इसकी बेस बनाई थी एंड इसको हेरिंग बोन स्टिच में हमने सीड बीड्स की बेस बनाई और उसके बाद हमने बाइकॉन्स ऐड करने शुरू किए, फिर हमने सीड बीड्स ऐड किए दूसरे राउंड में। तीसरे राउंड में हमने 2 डिफरेंट कलर के बीड्स जो अब हम जैसे ऐड कर रहे हैं आप देख सकते हैं इस तरह से हमने इस तरह से ऐड करने होते हैं। एक सीड बीड से दूसरे सीड बीड तक 2 डिफरेंट कलर के बीड्स हमने ऐड करने हैं। ये एक राउंड होता है और इसका 4th राउंड जो है उसमें हम गोल्डन सीड बीड्स हमने 3 दफ़ा 3 टाइम्स हमने ऐड करने होते हैं। सो अ शॉर्ट ब्रीफ detail I told you about this project. You can see the look of a completed earring which we have made for you. You can see now our beading is going on. Continue beading in the same pattern as we have shown in the start till now. We will now add our pearl 8 mm of white pearl. We are adding it and we have added 1 seed bead golden 11. Skip this 11 and pass through pearls hole and pass through next seed bead golden. First we pass through 2 seed beads golden and then we will pass through 3rd golden seed bead. As you see in this pattern we have beaded 3 seed beads each time. So we will add our pearl, passing our needle through all of 3 seed beads golden. We will pass our needle and we will add our 8 mm pearl in this way. So now we are this time in the beginning we skip golden seed bead and now second time when we are passing through our pearl we have passed our needle through seed bead golden too, and now we have added it successfully. As you can see it is added. Now we will pass our needle through different color bicones. We are proceeding to upper part for attaching our earring wire. Here is our earring wire with 2 beads in its start and 2 beads in its end, right and left. Both sides we have added 2 seed beads, white seed beads 11, and in the middle of these seed beads we put our earring wire, and now we have added it successfully. Now we are tying our knots, make 2 or 3 knots. 2 or 3 times we will make knots to secure our earring thread. And now trim the extra thread at the end. We are finishing our project. You can see these corners of thread we have to smooth, and we have to hide these white thread corners. So we paste some glue at the end. It's a little tip: whenever you make with the polyester thread your jewelry, you have to paste some glue at the end of these, on the ends of these thread, so it will hide. And now you can see it's ready. Our cute elegant earrings are ready. Totally different look. You can, I will say, you must try. It's herringbone stitch earrings. And please encourage me, subscribing, watching, liking, sharing my channel. I always request you. I work hard for making all these videos, work very hard. It's beading, it's my passion. So please encourage me and subscribe my channel, So Me Crafty. And here you are watching in Easy Smin Jewelry channel this video. So please subscribe my channels. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Goodbye. Take care. Bye.